yourself. This is my first episode of fitness and nutrition. And the reason I'm doing this episode is because I've been on a hunt looking for the best vegan protein ever. I can taste when there is whey, the ingredient whey in protein, and it does affect my skin negatively. So here it is. I found it. It's the best vegan protein I've tried. I'm not associated with them. It is Bowmar Nutrition, in case you can't see it. And this one in particular is their pecan pie flavor. The other day I told my son, he was talking about animals that were going extinct, and I said, you know what else is going extinct? This one, this flavor is going extinct, and it reminds me of Christmas and the holidays, and I don't even like pecan pie, but I like this flavor. So I'm going to show you how I make it and incorporate it into my daily life. So here I have my Vitamix. I put a splash of water in here because my coffee this morning is a little strong. So you can put as much or as little coffee as you'd like. And I have lots of secret ingredients for today. I'm gonna get unsweetened vanilla milk. I feel like it enhances the flavor. And I'm literally putting like a splash. I like to make my coffee fancy, and I like to feel fancy when I drink it. So I'm gonna put a splash of cinnamon, and, but you can see this one coming. It is a clove, see? Clove. And it just enhances all of the flavors. I do this to be fancy. When I'm in a hurry, I just grab the coffee, a little bit of the vanilla milk, and just 1 scoop of Bowmar, and I'll include the nutrition facts in there. You're gonna love them. The carbs are super low. It's actually 3 grams of carbs, and the total protein is 20 grams of protein. So not only do I love to invite you into my kitchen to share my share my Mexican traditions and secrets with cooking, and you can click on the link down below if you're interested in watching those videos. But for now, I just wanted to show you how excited I am to finally find a vegan protein that does not taste chalky, because that's been a battle. So I'm gonna blend it now. So come with me. The maximum speed on 10, and now I'm gonna turn it on, make sure that my lid is on secure, because it's happened before, it hasn't been on secure. So I have my mug, and look at this consistency. It is not thick, it is perfect, and I'm so excited to taste it. And honestly, if you like to drink your coffee slow, then you should have like a spoon so you can mix it, and in case it starts to settle a little bit at the bottom. But if you take a sip of this. So anyway, when I told my son that this flavor was going extinct, he's like, you should load up on them, Mom. And I said, I sure am. So enjoy. It tastes just like Christmas to me.